Zara Tindall is supported by Princess Anne and Timothy Lawrence as she competes in Festival of British Eventing at Gatcombe Park in the rain. Zara Tindall was supported by Princess Anne and Timothy Lawrence as she competed in the Festival of British Evening in Gatcombe Park this morning. The mother of three, 42, was seen participating one of the jumping competitions this morning, which takes place on the Princess Royal's estate in Gloucester. Now in its 28th year, the event includes a course designed by Princess Anne herself. The three-day event encompasses dressage, show jumping and different cross-country phases. Despite the wet and windy conditions, Zara, who won a silver medal in eventing in the 2012 London Olympics, was entirely focused on the competition at hand. The equestrian, who lives in the Gatcombe Park estate with her family, wore a pair of white trousers, a waterproof navy Land Rover branded jacket and black leather riding boots for today's competition. Despite the wet weather, Princess Anne, 72, proudly watched her daughter compete from the sidelines. The royal was dressed appropriately for the wet weather in a black waterproof, gloves and a black baseball cap by the brand Musto, who Zara has previously modeled for. Anne was entirely gripped by her daughter's performance and was seen holding a crook, which is used for herding sheep. Meanwhile, Timothy, who has been Zara's stepfather for 31 years, wore a green waxed jacket and tweed flat cap. Yesterday, Zara was joined by her daughters Mia, 9, Lena, 5, and her nieces Savannah, 12, and Isla Phillips, 11, at the event. The royal cousins were pictured laughing with one another and taking part in the activities on offer, including trampolining. Dressed in what appeared to be official navy t-shirts for the annual event, the pair both prepared for the muddy conditions by wearing green Wellington boots. Mia is the eldest of Zara and former rugby star Tindall's children and is now 22nd in the line of succession. Like her cousin Savannah, Mia is known for a mischievous streak and clearly enjoys running around with her father and cousins at various horse competitions. Zara Tindall made her eventing debut in 2003 with her horse Toytown, where she finished second at Burghley Horse Trials. Earlier this year, the mother of three appeared emotional during an interview with husband Mike where she recalled how Toytown wasn't able to compete in the Olympics.